2, 3. Hello, Beth. Happy 50th birthday. I hope you enjoy your celebration with your family. And I wish you all the goodness and the greatness that can happen in your life. You are already mid-century, just like me. Have a great 50th birthday, Beth. I'll see you soon. I just don't know when. Bye!
Hi there, our dear friend Beth. Your name radiates a beauty that reflects both inside and out. Through decades of shared Catholic faith and spirituality, we've consistently witnessed your profound honor and unwavering love for the truth and for Jesus himself. As it is being asked of us, despite our own shortcomings, generation after generation, we are called to strive to love even those who are difficult to love. Let Jesus be the unifying presence amongst all of us, guiding us with His grace and love. Your example inspires us to embrace this calling with fervent devotion and heartfelt endearment. On this day, we send you our warmest birthday greetings. May your heart be filled with joy, your spirit be renewed, and your faith be ever strengthened. Happy birthday, Beth. May God bless you abundantly today and always. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Come back to Melbourne and I'll take you somewhere nice. Have a great day and have fun at your surprise birthday party.
1, 2, 3.
Happy golden birthday, Tita Beth. Thank you for everything and I hope you're enjoying yourself there. Love you and take care.
Happy birthday, Beth!
Golden girl ka na, sister. Anong pakiramdam ng 50? Pareho na tayong gold. I hope you're enjoying yourself there in Adelaide. And sana maging masaya yung birthday mo, maski hindi mo kami kasama. Alam ko, miss mo na ako. Favorite sister. Ay, sorry, Grace, enjoy yourself and God bless always.
Hello! Happy birthday, Beth! Miss ka namin dito. Kasama namin ngayon si Ninang. Anyway, makikiselebrate kami sa iyo ngayon ng iyong birthday. Okay, you are the golden girl now. At sabi mo nga, halos pare-parehas lang tayo, magkakapatid tayo, di ba? And we love you. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. At magkakasama tayo ngayong birthday mo. Love you. God bless.
Hi Beth, happy birthday. Sana magkakasama tayo dyan sa Adelaide. Plano namin puntahan ka ngayon. Kaya lang, nandito kami sa Ninang sa Pilipinas. So, enjoy your day. And happy birthday and God bless. See you in Melbourne. God bless.
We love you.
Happy birthday. We
Bye.
love you.
Enjoy.
Hello, Beth. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best of your life. How are you doing this day? Yes, I am fine and okay. I'm just walking around and enjoying the day. Happy birthday ulit, Chabeng. I wish to see you again. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye, I love you.
Love you.
Hello, Sis Beth. Surprise! I'd like to greet you a happy, and most blessed 50th birthday. Oh my gosh, who would even think that you're golden already? It certainly doesn't show. And I just like to wish you all the best of health, of wealth, and of course of all happiness and grace for the next 50 years. Thank you for everything, all the support in the past, and of course the friendship. And I just pray that this celebration of yours truly be very meaningful for you, and that your heart be filled with all the love, all the grace, all the joy that you deserve. Have a wonderful celebration. Happy golden birthday. God bless you.
Happy 50th birthday, Beth. Always praying for your good health, your happiness, and your heart's deepest desires. So I hope you have a fun birthday. Take care. Bye.
Hi Beth, happy birthday, and may you be filled with God's grace and blessing for this special day of yours, and may you always be guided, protected, and blessed for all things that you would like to aspire for. May God bless you and keep you safe always. Happy birthday!
Yes, happy 50th birthday, Beth. Remember, half a century ka na. So, ibig sabihin nun, tumatanda na rin kami. Pero kidding aside, walang tumatanda sa atin. And remember, we love you so much. And some of your years are spent with us, during your days in Seaton. And looking forward for more years to be with you. Sana makauwi ka and makaband ka sa amin muli. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy 50th.
Happy birthday, Beth. Sana maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan today. At tanda mo, mahal na mahal ka na iyong mga kaibigan, pamilya, lalo-lalo na ang iyong mga kapatid. Kaya huwag kayong mag-aaway. Normal lang na mayroong hindi pagkakasunduan, pero walang suntukan. Okay? Tandaan ninyo, Beth, mahal ka na iyong mga kapatid, at sa iyong sa mga kapatid mo, Beth, mahal na mahal ka nila. At lalo na ang iyong Kuya Dennis. Happy birthday again, and sana magkita tayo in the near future. Salamat.
Hello, Tita Beth. Happy birthday. I love you. And what is your wish? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita Beth. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Tita Beth. Bye.
Bye.
Happy 50th winter birthday celebration down under, Betchay. So happy to note that ilang tulog na lang, you will soon join the League of Senior Citizens. Ha ha ha! Anyway, I hope you will enjoy your birthday celebration after half a century of life. I am excited that you could soon join me in the Senior Citizens Club. Pero at the moment, enjoy 10 years more of youth, the last remaining youth for the next 10 years. So, hope you have a happy celebration and you're enjoying your stay in Australia. By the way, nandito pala ako sa bahay sa QC. And look who's here, but of course, working siya. Ay, working si Ruby dito sa aming bahay. At ayaw magpa-disturbo because like you, she is a workaholic. Happy birthday, Betchay! 50th birthday! Bye!